I just had the weirdest experience. I was lying on the floor, minding my own business when suddenly hic. What was that? I looked around, thinking maybe it was a squirrel or a strange noise from the humans, but no, it was me. I tried to bark it out, but it just kept happening. Hic! I tilted my head, thinking maybe if I looked cute enough, someone would explain it to me. Is this some kind of game? I even pawed at my belly as if asking what's going on in there. I watched my human laugh, and I thought maybe they know the secret. But no one was telling me. I tried to drink some water, but that just made it worse. Hic! So I decided to just embrace it. If hiccups are a mystery, I'll be the detective. Maybe I'll get a treat for solving it. Who knows? But for now, I'm just a confused pup, hiccuping my way through the day.